Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to check your mouse DPI in Windows 11. So if your mouse software doesn't show DPI settings, you can still measure it accurately using a free online tool called DPI Analyzer. This method works on Windows 11 and every Windows version. So take a piece of paper and draw inch or centimeter lines on it. This will act as your temporary mousepad. Now open your browser and launch the DPI Analyzer tool. Place your mouse on the paper and note the distance you plan to move it. In DPI Analyzer, enter the exact distance in inches or centimeters that you'll move your mouse. Click and hold the red crosshair at the bottom of the DPI Analyzer window. While holding the mouse button, move the mouse exact distance you measured on the paper. Watch the red crosshair stops and make sure the red crosshair does not overlap to the blue one, as the blue crosshair only shows the 0% deviation point. Now, release the mouse button to finish the recording. The DPI Analyzer will automatically calculate and display your mouse DPI. Repeat this test a few times and average the results. Move your mouse slowly and in a straight line and disable mouse acceleration in Windows settings for better accuracy. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.